right, you guys, so I'm home from work and I'm gonna work on the Cloffice just a little this evening. If you've been following me, then you know that I successfully built the frames for the shelves and I successfully installed them inside of the closet. Now, there are still several steps that must be done in order for this project to be considered complete. Let's discuss. All right, let's take a look. So, as you see, the shelves are in and they are sturdy. I put the top on. That is sturdy as well. I just put glue on for now. Then I'm going to go back with brad nails. Same for here. This shelf isn't going anywhere. Then I just need to put the end caps on. We need to put the underlayment on, and I will do that after we have installed the lights, which, as you see, they will be installed underneath. Same here. Then we have the paneling that DeAndre selected. So we're going to do the whole background with this paneling all the way up. We're going to have an electrical outlet installed here, which will be behind the monitor. We're going to have another outlet here, and then maybe one more up top. I'm not sure just yet. And then here where this line is, we are going to install an adjustable desk. We are putting that together ourselves and doing a customized desktop. And yeah, I think that's about it. So the work continues. Stay tuned. Hi DIY family, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm revealing the Cloffice that I built for my son. Yes, an office inside of a closet. This Cloffice was designed to be stylish but yet functional. Let's check it out. So, a few of the elements that we have are the floating shelves. I finally learned how to build a shelf that stays on the wall. So I used some 2x2s and a 1/4 inch of plywood to build the floating shelves. Then we used 3D panel. I've used this on another project, very easy to use. We took those from top to bottom and painted them white, along with the side walls of the Cloffice. Now, the highlight of this space is perhaps the adjustable desk. Now, when I first consulted with my son on what type of desk he wanted it built in, but I was able to talk him into doing an adjustable desk. I think he chose well. So this is in a standing position, of course, which I love to have the option of standing throughout the day, and I figured that he would too. He just didn't know it yet. And then, of course, we can lower it. Very functional. You know that we love lights. So, of course, we added the LED lighting as well. We added some decor. And voila, we have a Cloffice. I'm really pleased with how everything came together. This space is now stylish and functional and gives my son a great place to be productive and creative. It took time and effort, but in the end, it was all worth it. If you're thinking about doing a similar project, my advice is to plan carefully and take your time. The important thing is to make sure that it brings joy to whoever uses it. Thanks for joining me on this DIY journey. I hope you enjoyed seeing the transformation as much as I enjoyed creating it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more DIY improvements. Until next time, happy building!